Hi everybody, I'm going to show you what's in our nature bag when we go to the park, and this is just a backpack, and in the large section I usually have water and snacks, and right now there's just a little compass. And then we also brought Kleenex because it is springtime, though we had a shovel and binoculars and this little magnifying glass and this little activity that has little questions about nature that kind of get the conversation started. And of course lavender, this is an essential oil, and this is great for little cuts and scrapes and stings. And then we also brought our nature journals, and I've got a video on how to make that. You can click on the screen to see how we made these. And then we have a couple of books, and we have one on insects, birds, and trees. And we actually didn't use these at all. I was hoping to sit and catch up on some information about these trees in our area so that I could teach the kids, but I didn't get a chance to do that. And then the other thing, and anyway, we're going to be going multiple times, so we didn't do it to this time that we went to the park, but of course there'll be plenty of opportunity to do that later. And then I've got this book here that my friend Sama wrote, and it's How to Draw Plants and Animals, and this is for California. And this is a really neat step-by-step book on how to draw these things, and which is great because of course we had our little nature journals here, and this was very helpful. And of course I brought some color pencils with us, and I really like this color range. It's nice and like earth tones, perfect for a nature journal. And we also brought this book here. Now, before I came to the park, I wrote down some of the activities that I wanted to try with the kids, and we did get to doing one of them, the micro hike, and we had mixed success with it. But I just want to show you some of the things that we took along with the park, and or to any nature place. It could be the beach, or it could be the woods, or whatever. For us, it was a regional park that was nearby where we could do our nature study unit. So I forgot to tell you that I also bring this book along usually when we're on hikes in our area, because this one has everything about local plants and animals and for where we live, and so this is especially helpful. So if you can find a field guide for where you live, then I suggest that you take this along when you're going on hikes or just exploring nature. Okay, so these were a few of the things that we brought to our local regional park in order to do our nature study unit, but I would love to hear what you guys bring to enhance your nature unit studies. So let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.